Welcome to this video on Midjourney T-Shirt Design tutorial and make money online with print on demand in 2023. In this video, we'll guide you through the world of print on demand and show you how you can use Midjourney to create custom t-shirts and make money online. Print on demand is a business model that allows you to create and sell custom designed products, such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, without having to invest in inventory upfront. Instead, you design your products and upload them to a print-on-demand platform. When someone orders one of your products, the platform prints and ships the product directly to the customer. You earn a commission on each sale. Midjourney is one of the most popular platforms for creating and selling custom t-shirts online. It offers an easy-to-use interface, a wide range of design tools and templates, and a large community of designers and sellers. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Midjourney to design your own t-shirts and then sell them through various print-on-demand platforms. First, we'll walk you through the process of designing your t-shirts on Midjourney. We'll cover everything from choosing the right colors and fonts to selecting the best images and graphics. We'll also provide tips on how to create designs that stand out from the crowd and appeal to your target audience. Next, we'll show you how to upload your designs to various print-on-demand platforms, such as Merch by Amazon, Etsy, Amazon FBA, Amazon KDP, Redbubble, Teespring, Zazzle, and Spreadshirt. We'll discuss the pros and cons of each platform and provide tips on how to optimize your designs for each one. We'll also show you how to set up your products, price them correctly, and promote them effectively. Throughout the tutorial, we'll provide examples of successful print-on-demand sellers and their strategies for making money online. We'll also discuss common mistakes to avoid and ways to overcome common challenges, such as copyright infringement and low sales. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use Midjourney and other print-on-demand platforms to create and sell custom t-shirts online. You'll have the tools and knowledge you need to start your own online business or earn some extra income on the side. So, let's get started on this Midjourney to success and start making money with Midjourney and print on demand today. In addition to creating and selling custom t-shirts, we'll also discuss other print-on-demand products you can offer, such as hats, phone cases, and tote bags. We'll show you how to use Midjourney's design tools to create these products, as well as how to upload them to various print-on-demand platforms. We'll also cover topics such as niche research, branding, and marketing. We'll show you how to identify profitable niches and target specific audiences with your designs. We'll also provide tips on how to build your brand and establish a loyal customer base. And finally, we'll discuss various marketing strategies, such as social media advertising, email marketing, and influencer partnerships, that you can use to promote your products and increase your sales. Throughout the tutorial, we'll emphasize the importance of creating high-quality designs and providing exceptional customer service. We'll show you how to use customer feedback to improve your products and grow your business over time. We'll also discuss the importance of staying up to date with trends and new technologies in the print-on-demand industry. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your own online business or an experienced seller looking to expand your product offerings, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll provide step-by-step guidance and expert advice to help you achieve your print-on-demand goals. So, join us on this video to success with Midjourney and print-on-demand. Let's start creating custom t-shirts and making money online today. Finally, we'll cover some of the most popular print-on-demand platforms available, such as Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, Teespring, Etsy Print-on-Demand, and Zazzle. We'll discuss the pros and cons of each platform and show you how to upload your designs and optimize your product listings for maximum visibility and sales. We'll also touch on Amazon FBA and Amazon KDP, two other popular Amazon programs that allow you to sell physical products and books, respectively. These programs can be a great way to diversify your income streams and reach new audiences. To wrap up the tutorial, we'll showcase some successful print-on-demand businesses and share their inspiring stories. We'll show you how they started with just an idea and a few designs and grew their businesses into successful and profitable ventures. In summary, Midjourney is an excellent platform for creating custom t-shirts and other print-on-demand products. By following the tips and strategies in this tutorial, you can start your own online business and make money online. Whether you're a creative person looking for an outlet to express yourself or a savvy entrepreneur looking to capitalize on a growing industry, print on demand is an excellent opportunity to achieve your goals. So, join us on this Midjourney and let's start creating and selling custom t-shirts today. We hope that you found this tutorial on Midjourney and print on demand helpful and informative. With Midjourney, you have the power to turn your creative designs into a thriving online business. Print on demand is a low-risk, high-reward business model that allows you to monetize your artistic talents without investing in inventory or expensive equipment. By following the step-by-step guidance provided in this tutorial, you can create high-quality designs, upload them to various print-on-demand platforms, and market them to a specific niche audience. With a little bit of patience, persistence, and creativity, you can turn your Midjourney into a successful and profitable online business. We recommend that you take some time to experiment with different designs, niches, and marketing strategies to find what works best for you. And remember, the key to success in the print-on-demand industry is to constantly iterate and improve your products and customer experience. Thank you for joining us on this Midjourney. We wish you the best of luck in your print-on-demand endeavors. And we look forward to seeing your unique designs come to life on Midjourney and other print-on-demand platforms. In addition, we recommend that you continue to educate yourself on the latest trends and best practices in the print-on-demand industry. Attend online workshops, read blogs, and connect with other entrepreneurs in the print-on-demand community. The more you learn and network, the better equipped you'll be to succeed in this exciting and dynamic industry. In conclusion, Midjourney is an excellent platform for creating custom t-shirts and other print-on-demand products. By following the tips and strategies in this tutorial, you can start your own online business and make money online. Whether you're a creative person looking for an outlet to express yourself or a savvy entrepreneur looking to capitalize on a growing industry, print-on-demand is an excellent opportunity to achieve your goals. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon on our channel for more informative tutorials and tips on how to succeed in the online business world.